In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in Smartsheet using a template so you can automatically notify people when a task is blocked. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account, then open your project sheet. This is the main sheet where you track your tasks, deadlines, and statuses. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the screen for the automation menu and click on it. This is where all of your workflow rules live and where you can build new ones. From the automation menu, choose the option to create from a template. Using a template is a great way to get started because it gives you a pre-built structure that you can quickly customize instead of building everything from scratch. In the template gallery that appears, look for the template that matches what you want to achieve, then click on it to select it. Once you've highlighted the right template, click on Use Template to load it into the workflow editor. Now you'll see the workflow settings. The first thing to adjust is the condition that tells Smartsheet when this workflow should run. Click on the field that currently says Any Field. This is where you define which column should trigger the automation. From the list of columns, choose Status. That means the workflow will watch for changes in the status column specifically. Next, click on the option to add a value. This is where you tell Smartsheet which status value should activate the rule. From the list that appears, choose Blocked. At this point, you've set the condition. Whenever the status column changes to blocked, this workflow should run. Now let's configure who gets notified. Look for the section that defines what happens after the trigger and click on the recipient option, which should say something like Send to specific people. Select that option so the workflow will email particular users. Then click where it says to add a name or email and choose the person from your contact list that should receive these alerts. This could be a project manager, a team lead, or whoever needs to know when work gets stuck. Next, review the sending details. Click on the setting related to how the email is sent, and choose to send it from Smartsheet Automation. Using this option makes the messages consistent and clearly tied to the automated workflow. Take a moment to review any highlighted fields in the workflow editor. These highlights usually indicate areas you can further customize, such as message content or additional conditions. When everything looks good, click Save to store your new automation. Finally, if you want to build more workflows or explore other use cases, click on See More Templates. This will take you back to the template gallery, where you can browse and reuse other automation templates to streamline even more of your Smartsheet processes.